Hey my peeps, let's make some Beehive fake bake cookies. So I'm rolling out my cookie dough color. I always make this part of my cookie thicker than the top layer. So I got this cookie cutter. It came in a set from Hobby Lobby. It has a beehive, a bee, and a hexagon shape. So if you have trouble taking out your clay from your cookie cutter, just use a piece of the clay to pull it out. So now I got me some yellow clay, and this layer, as you can see, is thinner than the first thicker layer. So I'm just gonna pop this one out. It depends on the clay how they pop out of the cookie cutter. You know, these sometimes clays are too wet, too dry. They temperamental just like us. Anyways, so I got this is a craft stick, and I'm just making lines on my beehive cookie. And I kind of went back and did it twice because, you know, sometimes when you make like a line or something in your dough, in your clay, it kind of goes away. So just make sure that you define those lines. And now I'm using some chalk pastels. I know you guys are gonna ask me where I got this. I bought this set at a garage sale, and I don't think it's sold anymore, but you can get some from Amazon, and I'll post a link if you guys are interested in that. I'm just doing a little shading, nothing spectacular or particular or in any kind of order. I just wanted it to look a little like worn, or you know, not so clean. So I'm just adding a little bit of brown. So now I got my paint pen. This is a plaid paint pen, and I'm just making some dashes, and I try to do a heart. My heart didn't come out too good. You know what? It doesn't matter. It looks good enough for me. So now I'm putting on some daisies. I made these daisies with a mold. I can leave a link to the mold if you want. It came in a set with other flower molds. And now I'm just adding some bees, you know, to the outline, the dashes that I made. And then I'm going to put one more bee up at the top. And then now I'm going to take my honey glue sticks, and I'm just going to put some drips here and there on my cookie, just randomly, wherever I felt could use a little bit of honey. And I just put some and just made some drips. Now I got some yellow iridescent glitter, and I just put some of that on the top, and that's my cookie. Can't get easier than that. And so now this cookie has a honeycomb texture. I just did it with a mat, and I just did the same things that I did to the other cookie. So if you have that texture mat, you can make it like that too. But anyway, look how pretty those came out. Go make you some. Look at that. All the bee stuff we done made this week and last week. I'm all beat out. Talk to y'all later. Bye.